Say good morning, Grandma. We just had our bottles and we ate so good. We're going to try to get some smiles. Oh, there's Lexi. She talking. Hi, Lexi. Hi. Say hi to Grandma. Oh, is that Nathan? Nathan's talking. Hi, Buggy. Hi, Buggy. Can you smile for Grandma? Can you smile for Grandma? No, is he a little bit camera shy? Buggy. Hey. 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 You smiling? Can you smile, Lexi? Oh. Oh. Look, yeah. Oh. She's talking to Grandma. You say, hi, Grandma. We see you soon. We miss you. Oh. We miss you, Grandma. Come see us soon. I like to play with my tongue. Yeah. We were smiling up a storm a minute ago. Yeah, both of us, huh? Oh, there's Nathan's sounds. Yeah. Can you talk to Grandma? Yeah, hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Okay, we're gonna go get our diaper changed. Get ready for the day. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, Grandma.